Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and starting core settings. First, check your Windows 10 build so speech features are available. Next, connect and select a clear microphone as the default input. You want minimal background noise. Then enable online speech recognition in privacy settings so Windows can process voice commands. Once done, open Settings Time and Language Speech to proceed. These steps prepare your device and data flow so the recognition engine works reliably. Now you configure and train the system for accuracy. Set the speech language to match your accent and region so models apply correctly. Run the built-in speech recognition app from Control Panel and follow the microphone setup wizard. This calibrates levels and improves clarity. Use the voice training or Cortana training prompts to let Windows learn your pronunciation and common words. Make sure to read sample phrases aloud and correct any mistakes. This directly improves transcription and command recognition over time. Finally, enable speech features and verify they work. Start Windows Speech Recognition or press Win plus H to open dictation and speak a paragraph. Watch for accuracy and latency. Make sure apps have microphone permission in privacy settings so input reaches the recognizer. If results are poor, update audio drivers, reduce background noise, and confirm your speech language matches your keyboard language. A key troubleshooting tip: rerun the microphone setup and voice training if recognition is consistently off. This often.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.